Hello, I'm Dr. Barry Pecos, York Region's new Medical Officer of Health. I'm excited to be working with the incredible UIRPH team in leading York Region's continued efforts to fight COVID-19 and delivering on the public health response that residents deserve and expect. Last Friday, Health Canada authorized the COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 5 to 11 years old, followed by recommendations from Canada's National Advisory Committee on Immunization on how to best roll out the vaccines to this group. This is an exciting development. York Region is ready to deliver these vaccines into arms as soon as we receive shipments from the province. This is another great step towards ending this pandemic and helping keep our community safe and healthy. There are 91,000 children in this age group, and we've been working together with our community and health system partners for many weeks to ensure that your children can get the vaccine as soon as possible and in a place that's convenient and comfortable for them. We've worked with our local school boards as well to host our first school-based clinics starting soon and running through December and into the holiday closures. Appointments for 5 to 11-year-olds or those turning 5 in 2021 must be booked in advance and will be available for booking at our pocketbook clinics, our community hub clinics throughout York Region, beginning 8 a.m. on Tuesday, November 23rd by visiting york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine or by calling 1-877-464-9675. The pediatric Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine that your children will receive as part of this campaign has a lower dosage than the adolescent and adult Pfizer vaccine and is administered in 2 doses, with the second dose being offered 8 weeks after the first dose. While children generally have had mild COVID-19 illness, there have been over 300 hospitalizations here in Canada and quite a few deaths around the world, so it is critically important to protect our children. This vaccine will protect children not only from illness, but more importantly, for many parents, once your children are fully vaccinated, they will not need to isolate if they're exposed to COVID-19, and they'll be able to gather safely and continue to attend in-person school, including extracurricular activities. Children 5 to 11 represent one of the last groups in our community who've not yet been eligible for vaccination. When we protect them, we also protect their families and the community as a whole. This is one of the most important milestones in ending the pandemic. Parents and caregivers with questions about the COVID-19 vaccine for children can speak to a York Region public health nurse by calling 1-800-361-5653 or a pediatric registered nurse through the Sick Kids COVID-19 consult service. Please know that every effort is being made to make sure the vaccination process is as comfortable as possible for children and families, including support to reduce anxiety and vaccine-related fears. Our vaccination staff have been trained in working with children and are here to help and support you. We also recommend bringing a toy, a device, or another comfort item that may help your child throughout the vaccination process. And for all residents, regardless of your age or vaccination status, continue to mask indoors and adhere to other public health measures. This has meant all the difference in Ontario compared to other jurisdictions. Everyone in Ontario and in York Region has done a great job. Please keep it up. As we spend more time indoors with the weather getting colder and we look forward to gathering more during the holiday season, vaccination offers protection against an increase in cases through this season and into the new year. If you've not received your first and second dose, now is the time. If you're experiencing symptoms of COVID-19, even if they're mild, regardless of your vaccination status, stay home, don't gather with others, and get tested in an assessment center as soon as possible. Vaccination does remain our best protection against COVID-19, and it's accessible to anyone in the population who is now eligible at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. Thank you for your ongoing support throughout the entire COVID-19 pandemic. I'm looking forward to continuing to communicate with you and keep you informed of the actions you can take to protect yourselves, your families, and your communities. Stay safe, stay informed, stay vigilant, and please get vaccinated.